The ASUS ROG-STRIX-GTX1080TI-OC edition packs jaw-dropping 5K HD gaming experiences into one incredible package, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. Imagine having a gaming setup that can handle resolution so high, they'll make your eyes water, literally. This GPU is the key to unlocking those breathtaking visuals, delivering maximum resolution of 7680 by 4320 for the ultimate 5K gaming experience. But what makes this possible? It all starts with NVIDIA Pascal, the world's fastest GPU. And then there's the ASUS ROG-STRIX-GTX1080TI-OC edition itself, featuring a whopping 11GB GDDR5X memory and a boost clock of 1708 MHz in its OC mode. That's not just fast, it's ridiculously, mind-blowingly fast. Now let's talk about cooling. This GPU comes equipped with Max Contact plus Auto Extreme manufacturing technology, which delivers 2x more GPU to heatsink contact for increased cooling efficiency. And it does this using premium-quality aerospace-grade superalloy power 2 components that keep the GPU running smoothly even during the most intense gaming sessions. But cooling isn't just about keeping the GPU from overheating, it's also about making sure the fans don't overpower the system. That's where the patented Wingblade 0dB fans with FanConnect II come in, maximizing cooling performance using 3 axial fans to deliver 105% more air pressure and dual 4-pin headers for referencing chassis fans to GPU temperatures. Now let's talk about lighting. The ASUS ROG-STRIX-GTX1080TI-OC edition features ASUS Aura Sync RGB lighting, which gives you nearly endless spectrum of colors that can synchronize effects across an ever-expanding ecosystem of ASUS Aura Sync-enabled products. This isn't just for show, it's also a great way to personalize your gaming setup and make it truly unique. But what really sets this GPU apart is its compatibility with the latest DirectX 12 and GeForce gaming features. And with 2x HDMI 2.0, 2x DisplayPort 1.4, and 1x DVI port, you can connect your VR headset and up to 4 monitors simultaneously, making for a truly immersive gaming experience. And then there's the GPU Tweak 2 software that comes with this card, which makes monitoring performance and streaming easier than ever. With Game Booster and a free 1-year premium license of XSplit Gamecaster, you'll be able to optimize your settings and take your gameplay to the next level. But let's not forget about the competition. The ASUS ROG-STRIX-GTX1080TI-OC edition is the world's fastest gaming GPU, delivering jaw-dropping 5K HD gaming experiences that will leave all else in its wake. So why settle for anything less? So what are you waiting for? Get ready to experience gaming like never before with the ASUS ROG-STRIX-GTX1080TI-OC edition. Click the link below to grab yours now and unlock a whole new world of possibilities.